quick unboxing of the iPad 16 gigs with Wi-Fi. I already took off the plastic, so yeah. It basically just comes in this box. You guys obviously can see. So let's just open it. Sorry, I don't have my tripod. Okay, so this is how it comes. This is basic iPad. Comes in plastic. And the instruction, well, it's like Apple little packaging thing with just tips on it. The Apple stickers. And just some Lego stuff here. It comes with the cable and a wall mount. You can see. And that's basically all it comes with.